Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliate SiteRubix and Site123 to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. Site123, on the other hand, is a website builder that emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. It offers a guided setup process that helps users create websites quickly with minimal effort. Site123 provide a variety of templates, and customization options are more limited compared to some other platforms, making it ideal for users who want a fast, no-frills approach to website building. In terms of pricing, Site123 has a free plan and a premium plan for $5 per month. When choosing between SiteRubix and Site123, consider your level of experience and your website goals. SiteRubix is best for beginners and users who want an all-in-one solution with added community support and learning resources. Site123 is suitable for users who want a quick and easy way to create a website with minimal customization needs. Both platforms have their strengths and drawbacks, so it ultimately depends on what you're looking for in a website builder. Check the links in the description to try each platform and see which one suits your website building needs best in 2024. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.